We all know chimney cleaning can feel like a huge task after months of winter use. Creosote buildup, soot, and debris can make it messy and time-consuming, but not anymore. With the SootEater rotary cleaning system, you'll breeze through this job in record time and ensure your chimney is clean and safe for your family. Here's why SootEater is a great go-to option for homeowners. The powerful rotary system conveniently attaches to a cordless drill. Its spinning whip-head brush and extendable flexing rods reach every corner of your chimney, producing professional-level results. The SootEater cuts cleaning time in half versus using traditional-style brushes. After preparing your area and safety equipment, inspect the chimney flue for creosote, nests, or blockages with a flashlight. Next, attach a flex rod and spinning whip head to your cordless drill. Starting at the fireplace level, extend upward into the flue. Fire up the SootEater and watch the magic happen. Attach additional flex rods until you've reached the chimney top. Finally, vacuum out debris collected in and around the fireplace. Here's a pro tip. Be sure to remove any debris from your chimney cap, or feel free to replace your chimney cap with a durable premium option from our high-C brands, Shelter and DraftKings, to round off your chimney spring cleaning. Why spend hours on chimney cleaning when SootEater can do the job in half the time? Visit our website today to get your SootEater system and explore high-C's high-quality chimney caps for added protection. Thanks for watching, and happy spring cleaning.